Well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen, number 40 Balerno Circle, right here in the heart of Gowanbrae. My name's David Vaughan. Today, we've got an exceptional low-maintenance townhome opportunity on offer. 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 separate bathrooms, 2 separate living zones, immaculately presented throughout, and of course that spacious courtyard. It doesn't get much better than that. Let's go now through, take a wander. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What a truly stunning townhome residence we have on offer here today. This property here is going to suit a huge demographic of buyer, whether you're that of the family, the professional couple, the investor, or even that of the downsizer. This property here ticks absolutely all the boxes. Not only that, but access to some of the area's finest amenities. You've got schools, both private and public, shops, recreational services, and of course that of public transport infrastructure. It's all very, very close by. We look forward to meeting you at one of our open for inspections. Of course, if you can't make the open house time, feel free to contact myself or Jason Barbara and we'll get you through on a private basis. Once again, thanks for taking the online tour.